In today's video, I will walk you through how to make easy coloring book in Canva. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. The first thing you need to do is create a new design. In this example, choose an A4 document size so the page is ready for printing later on. After the blank document opens, you will see an empty canvas where you can begin building your coloring page. Next, go to the Elements section on the left side of Canva. In the search bar, type animals to look for graphics or photos that you can turn into coloring pages. Browse through the results and pick the image you want to use for your first page. Drag the image onto the canvas and resize it so it fills more of the page. You want the subject to stand out clearly and take up a good amount of space on the document. After placing the image, click on Edit Photo at the top of the screen. This will open Canva's editing tools. From there, go into the Filters section and look for the Mono category. Inside the Mono filters, choose Classic. Once the filter is applied, scroll back up and open the Adjust settings. This is where you will start transforming the image into something that looks more like a coloring page. Every image reacts differently, so take your time while adjusting the sliders. Focus mainly on saturation and brightness first. Lowering the saturation removes the remaining color, while brightness helps clean up the image and make the background lighter. Keep adjusting the settings gradually until the picture begins to look more like black outlines on a white page. Depending on the image you selected, you may need to test different slider combinations to get cleaner results. You can also improve the outlines by adjusting the blacks and contrast settings. Coloring pages usually look better when the outlines are darker and more visible, so increasing those settings can help define the lines and make the final result easier to color. Once you are happy with the first page, repeat the same process with another image. Drag a second image onto the canvas and remove the background if needed. Then apply the same Mono Classic filter and continue adjusting the image settings until it matches the coloring page style you want. That is how you can turn regular images into simple coloring book pages directly inside Canva.